Hey guys, today we'll be going over the chain rule and how the chain rule will be applied. We'll be using these steps to find the chain rule. So let's look at this first equation. So let's find dy dx. This can also be expressed as a derivative to find the derivative. So the first step tells us to bring the exponent to the front. So we bring 8 to the front, 8. The second tells us the parenthesis stays the same. So this parenthesis stays the same, x cubed plus 5x minus 7. Second step tells us subtract the exponent by 1. So we subtract 8 by 1, which gives us 7. Now, the final step is multiply by derivative of inside. So we multiply this derivative using power rule. So this would be 3x squared. You bring the power to the front, minus the power by 1, 3x squared, plus 5. 7 equals 0 as is a constant. This is the first question done. Now let's look at trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. Y equals cos. Okay, so the derivative of this will be cos is minus sine. You keep this exponent the same, x to the power 4 minus 9x. And now you find the derivative of this inside function using the sine power rule. So this would be 4x to the power of 3 minus 9. You bring the power down, subtract by 1. Now, let's look at the double chain rule. This is a much harder question. So let's find the derivative of this. The first step tells us bring the exponent to the front. Bring 3 to the front. The parenthesis stays the same. So it'll be a plus sine 4x. Third step, subtract the power by 1. So you subtract 3 by 1, which gives you 2. Now you multiply the derivative of the inside using the power rule. So you use the power rule to find this. So you know that the derivative of 8 equals 0 as it's a constant. The derivative of sine will give you cos. And the derivative, now you have to still find, you have to go further. So you have to find the derivative of 4x, which gives you 4. Now you can simplify this further. You can either leave your answer like this or simplify further. So do 4 times 3, which gives you 12. 8 sine 4x cos. And that's your final answer. Hope this helps and hope you had the insight of how to find the chain rule. Thank you.